This situation involves a potential legal battle centered around an allegation of discrimination in a pub setting. Here is a detailed breakdown of the events and the possible implications. #####1. The background and setting asterisk. The pub asterisk the Purley Arms is an old-fashioned pub located in a working-class area of South Croydon, London. It is run by Gary Sidwell, a landlord who is likely experienced in managing both the regular crowd and any occasional disturbances that might arise in a typical pub environment. The individuals involved asterisk 4 Irish men, Brian Mongan, his brother Pete, and their friends Paddy and Tom McDonough, visited the pub. They are described as young and burly, which may suggest they have a noticeable presence. Brian Mongan appears to be the primary individual in focus among the group. ####2. The incident asterisk. On a Wednesday afternoon in October, Brian Mongan and his companions entered the Purley Arms. According to both sides, the group left the premises roughly 60 seconds after entering. Gary's account asterisk Gary Sidwell claims that he refused to serve the group due to their strange behavior. Although strange behavior is a subjective term, it could imply that Gary felt something was off or potentially threatening about the group. Pubs often reserve the right to refuse service to individuals they believe might cause trouble or are already intoxicated, and strange behavior could be cited as a precautionary reason to avoid potential disturbances. ####3. The allegation of discrimination asterisk. The group's allegation asterisk Mongan, his brother, and their friends allege that they were refused service not because of any behavior but because of discrimination, possibly based on their Irish ethnicity. They argue that Gary's refusal was rooted in prejudice, not any real concern about their conduct. Legal implications asterisk discrimination in the provision of goods and services based on nationality, race, or ethnicity is illegal in the UK under the Equality Act 2010. If Mongan and his friends can prove that Gary's refusal to serve them was based on discriminatory reasons, Gary could face severe legal repercussions. ####4. Legal and financial stakes asterisk. Gary's defense asterisk the crux of Gary's defense will likely rest on proving that his decision to refuse service was not discriminatory, but rather based on legitimate concerns related to the group's behavior. To do so, he might need to present evidence such as CCTV footage, witness statements, or past experiences of similar situations where he made decisions based on observed behavior rather than ethnic or national bias. The group's case asterisk Mongan and his friends would need to provide evidence that the decision was based on their Irish identity and not any actual behavior. This could involve testimony from the group or others present at the time, as well as any patterns or past incidents where similar allegations might have been made against the pub or its management. ####5. Potential outcomes and consequences asterisk. If Gary loses the case asterisk, should the court find that Gary discriminated against Mongan and his friends, he could face substantial fines, potential compensation payouts, and damage to his and his pub's reputation. This could have a devastating financial impact on him personally and professionally. If Gary wins the case asterisk, if Gary successfully proves his actions were not discriminatory, he could avoid penalties. However, even if he wins, the legal costs and the stress of the proceedings could still be significant. ####6. Broader implications asterisk. For pub landlords asterisk, this case highlights a critical issue for pub landlords and other service industry professionals: the fine line between refusing service for legitimate reasons and being accused of discrimination. Landlords must be cautious and ensure their decisions are well documented and justified to avoid similar legal risks. For patrons asterisk, it also brings attention to the rights of patrons who may feel unfairly treated based on their nationality or ethnicity, encouraging more awareness and vigilance regarding equal treatment in public venues. ####conclusion. The situation at the Purley Arms is emblematic of a broader challenge in balancing rights and responsibilities within the hospitality industry. The outcome of the legal battle will likely depend on nuanced evidence and interpretations of both behavior and intent, making it a potentially precedent-setting case for both landlords and patrons in similar disputes.